Hi everyone, welcome to Lex 2067. Let's hang out. Okay, today we're going to discuss our first video for Lex 2067. That means our first meeting. Okay, before we start our discussion, shall we do our introduction first? Okay, let me start
Okay.
first. My name is Magisri Subramaniam and my matric number B10815.
Well, my
Okay,
name
hi
is
guys.
Maria Lakan and my matrix number is B10830.
My name is Kubneshwari Ganesan. My metric number is B10829.
Hello, my name is Tulashni Ravindran. My metric number is B10824.
Okay, shall we move to our discussion? In our first group meeting, we're going to identify and shortlist 4 famous or happening spots in our town, which will be discussed in the next 4 weeks group meeting. Today, we have to justify our selection about the happening spots in our town. So who going to start first?
I want to start, Kak.
Okay.
I choose the best place to hang out, which is Lost World of Tambun, which is located in Ipoh Perak. The Lost World of Tambun was built on land that was once in a tin mine. The massive entertainment and reaction complex allows you to appreciate the natural beauty of limestone formation, all the while enjoying a wide array of rides and attraction. Nassel, in the lush tropicals of our jungle, this theme park has 88 attraction, 10 parks, and about 123 different types of animal species, making it the perfect destination for a hangout, focusing on communing with nature. The water park is set around Explore Bay, a large wave pool with a beach resort feel. There is a sand to play with, cabinets to escape the sun, and of course a wave to play in. The park is themed as a lost world located deep in the jungle, and the scenery is truly spectacular. Another popular feature in Southeast Asia's longest lazy river, which is relaxing way to take in that breathtaking sceneries. There are also 6 water slides to enjoy. There are 4 tube slides. Basically, the tubes are provided, which are perfect for all ages. And the water quality is good and the park is very clean. Moreover, the main attraction in the theme park aim to be tribute to Ipoh's industrial and environmental history with its many options of parks for you and your loved ones to be distressed and have fun, especially after being cooped for so long. And this is why I said as earlier that Lost World of Tambun is one of the best place to hang out. That's all.
Okay, following by that, the spot that I've chosen from my town is Kenong Rimba Park, which is at Kuala Lipis, Pahang. Basically, Kenong Rimba Park is a protected rainforest area in Malaysia, which borders on Taman Negara. The park covers 128 kilometers square. This scenic valley is a home to many mountain streams and Bate Aboriginal tribe, abundant with exotic and unique species of flora and fauna. The natural surroundings inspires numerous folklore such as mango tree, which bears deliciously luscious fruits. Visitors may eat as much as desired, but may not take home even a single fruit, lest be blighted with the curse. Folklore aside, the park offers great adventures such as exploring limestone caves and river swimming, camping and jungle trekking. This tropical rainforest is reserved for specific purpose of fauna and flora research and opens to everyone. Speaking of tropical rainforest, humidity and confusion of thick forest comes to our mind. Of course, important inhabitants of giant trees, lush green foliage, tigers, elephants, lots of wildness and dangerous animals. Besides, it is home to a long list of unique and interesting species. Just to list a few, There are flying lizards, insect-eating plants, which is pitcher plant, the Rafflesia, sweeping squirrels, timid mouse deers, dung beetles, lantern bugs, bats, the slow lories, which is a variety of birds and primates. Some of more special plants live the tallest tree in the tropical rainforest, which is Tualang, which the biological name is Compesia excelsa, gigantic ficus tree, Pocoara, water lilies in pink and white color, floating on the still green water, and beautiful varieties of wild orchids clinging on the bigger trees. For bird watchers, dove, Calcopax indica, Merba red-eye, Psychonotus prunus, and Psychopix malbaricus, prized for their singing ability, can be spotted here. Mammals such as prickly porcupine, the deer, Tragulus jamaicus, Pelando, Malayan tapir, Tapirus indicus, and Teno and elephant, Alpus maximus, also can be found. So this is the wonderful spot that I have choose for this task.
Okay.
Okay, next I
Okay.
continue.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. I guys have a nice day. Okay. I choose. Today I would like to talk about Petaling Street. Okay. The Petaling Street is located at city of Kuala Lumpur, Wilayah Persekutuan. Another name of Petaling Street is Chinatown. Haggling is a common sight here, and the place is usually crowded with the local as well as tourists. The area has a dozen of the restaurant and food stall serving local favorites such as Hokkien mee, ikan bakar barbecue fishes, asam laksa, and curry noodles. Reggie Bar, Chinatown is located here. Traders also are mainly Chinese, but there are a lot of Indians, Malays, and Bangladeshi traders. Lastly, it is also known as a street of the prostitute. And then lot of people or more local normally shopping there because of bargaining the price, and then they get buy clothes or any other things in the cheap way. And in upcoming weeks, I will be discuss more about the Petaling Street, such as historical and the development, features, development, foods, transportation, and others regarding the Petaling Street. That's all from me. How about you, Magis?
Okay, the famous happening spot that I choose in my town is the Jungle Walk Street at Melaka. Melaka is widely known for its harmonious blend of culture as well, numerous historical sites, and Jungle Street, the main street of Chinatown, is the perfect place to see everything merged together. The main attraction of Jungle Street is the night market held every Friday and Saturday. I have found several well-preserved landmarks, some dating back to the 18th century, nestled amongst the street's more modern established. The diversity of Jungle Street's traditional and urban attractions is a testament of Malaysia's colorful history and rich multicultural society. It is a commonly acknowledged fact that Melaka Jungle Street night market is the best in the country, well organized with array of stalls, polite and friendly hawkers bargains, as well as live music coursing throughout the area. Jungle Walk comes to life in full color with a lively street party-like atmosphere. The street is closed off for traffic on Friday and Saturday in the evening to turn into a very crowded night market open until 12 midnight. You will like all people beginning to prepare the sales of over 1,100 products you can buy there, like food, heads, electronics, ice cream, drinks, all kind of drinks, children's stuff, and some more. Okay, I already gave some info about the Jungle Street in our first meeting. I'm very sure Jungle Street Melaka is one of the famous happening spot because I have been there so many times and I really enjoy it. So it should be a happening hangout spot for us. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay. So in the conclusion, you can see that we have choose the best 4 places to hang out, which is Jonker Street, Malacca, Kenong Riba Park, Pahang, Lost World of Tambun in Ipoh, and finally Petaling Street. So that's all for today's discussion. See you in upcoming video, and thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.